Let's have a look at how to flip the interior. So when you have designed your tiny house and you realize, oh, it would actually be much better for me to have my tiny house facing the other way. So for example, you don't actually want your drawbar to be on this side and you want your design to face the other way. You can actually go into your tools and quickly use this flip interior button. So I'll quickly disable my walls first to show you how this looks like. I'll click flip interior and now it just mirrors the design completely for me. One quick thing to consider: when you have mirrored your interior, you would also need to think about moving your doors and windows to the right spot to make sure that they now still make sense. One other thing as well, when you have mirrored your interior, you might see that the walls that were snapping to the roof are not facing the right direction anymore. You can just click on them and just make them regenerate by clicking the attach to roof setting here as well. But I'll get into the attaching to roof settings in the actual wall tutorial as well.